It's not just any Thursday here at the New York Stock Exchange. It's Christmas Eve because the markets, they're closed tomorrow on Friday for the Christmas holiday. And that's why we have the report one day earlier than normal. That's why I'm wearing the hat. And I will say this, what a wild week we've had. A lot of moves in different directions, but mostly on the upside. For the most part, we saw a Santa Claus rally, a historic Santa Claus rally, that of which began on Tuesday. How did it begin on Tuesday? Well, after a 3-day losing streak, the major averages soared near record highs as investors looked past earlier concerns about the spread of the Omicron COVID variant. Sentiment was boosted amid new studies suggesting that the Omicron variant has a lower risk of hospitalization than other COVID variants. On Wednesday, the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, granted emergency use authorization for Pfizer's COVID pill, the first oral antiviral drug against the virus. The FDA also authorized Merck's antiviral pill for COVID-19 this Thursday, and the rally has been so strong heading into this session that the S&P 500, through it all, sits just 1% away from its record high numbers. The Dow Jones is up 1.7%, the S&P 500 popping 2.2%, and the Nasdaq up 2.8%, heading towards the close. In addition, the moves also tied to relatively thin trade heading into the Christmas holiday. But now we look ahead to what will be a full week of trade, also the final full trading week for the year 2021. Will we continue to see more gains, or will we end the year with a little bit of a negative blip? Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Now on Monday, the session kicks off a bit on the quiet side with focus on the nation of Japan, with Japan's unemployment rate, that of which currently sits 2.7%. Then Tuesday is all about the U.S. housing market. First, the October housing price index is due out, and then we'll have the release of the Case-Shiller Home Prices Index. The October Case-Shiller Home Prices Index, that's expected to come in at 18.5% year over year. Now, Wednesday sees us keep our focus on the U.S. housing markets with the release of the November pending home sales figures. November pending home sales out of the U.S. call for a read of 0.6%. And Thursday sees all attention right here in the United States once again with weekly jobless claims figures, but at the same time we'll have the release of December Chicago PMI, that of which is expected at a read of 62. And on Friday, most of the global financial markets will be closed, but right here in the United States, the U.S. markets, they will be open. The New York Stock Exchange will be open on Friday, New Year's Eve, because of a relatively unknown, obscure NYSE Rule 7.2, which states when a holiday observed by the exchange falls on a Saturday, the exchange will not be open for business on the preceding Friday, and when any holiday observed by the exchange falls on a Sunday, the exchange will not be open for business on the succeeding Monday, unless unusual business conditions exist, such as the ending of a monthly or yearly accounting period. So in other words, I'll be here at the New York Stock Exchange next Friday with your week ahead report. And we'll just end the report on that note. Live from the New York Stock Exchange, wishing you all a very safe and very merry Christmas holiday weekend. I'm James Sweeney, reporting for ICM.